Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, the generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where your tail lights relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So the tail lights relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate here on that generation Ford Fusion. Guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes. We will recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Open the hood. Under the hood here guys, on the driver's side, you have that cover that looks like a T. Open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So here guys, what we need to check specifically. Now for tail lights, you can see there is many relays, right? But there is no relay for lights, headlights, tail lights. This is the only relay that we couldn't find any information about even in service manuals, so check it, but most likely it's not. You have relay fuses. They're not specifically specified for tail lights, but you will need to check guys. Fuse number 18, fuse number that's 1920. You will need to check guys, fuse number 54, that's a double fuse right here, okay? That's fuse number 54 and 55, that lower upper portion of it is 54. And you may have under that relay here fuse number 47. That will be the middle fuse of 3. Now you may need to check another one, and that's actually in the car. On the lower section of the dash you have that trim. It extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It attaches with 4 clips underneath, one here, 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, it opens deep inside the dash. On the left side you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Here you will need to check guys, another fuse, and that's fuse number 20. That's a double fuse again. That's 19 and 20, 2 fuses in one, but that's the one you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.